It was a foggy night when Detective Jake received the call. A mysterious case had just landed on his desk. A series of bizarre events were taking place in an abandoned mansion at the edge of the city. Some said it was haunted, others believed something more sinister was lurking inside. As Detective Jake approached the mansion, the air grew colder. The mansion's iron gates creaked as they opened, welcoming him to the mystery ahead. Jake's heart pounded as he stepped inside the shadowy corridors. The floors creaked underfoot, and faint whispers echoed through the halls. But Jake was no stranger to fear. He had solved countless cases, each more baffling than the last. Jake searched every room, every corner of the mansion. He found old letters, a dusty journal with missing pages, and peculiar symbols carved into the walls. In one of the rooms, he uncovered a set of blueprints for the mansion itself, with a hidden basement marked "Do Not Enter." He also found evidence of someone else's recent presence, fresh footprints in the dust, and a half-burnt candle, still warm. Jake knew he wasn't alone. But who else was here, and why? Jake followed the clues back to town, where he began investigating anyone who had ties to the mansion. The first suspect was Mr. Warren, a wealthy businessman who had bought the mansion years ago but mysteriously abandoned it. Then there was Emily, the mansion's last known resident, who disappeared without a trace. As Jake dug deeper, he realized there were more secrets than he initially thought. He found out about a missing persons case connected to the mansion, a stolen treasure, and even rumors of an underground operation. Just when Jake thought he had figured everything out, a twist emerged, one he didn't see coming. The mansion wasn't just a place of old rumors. It was a front for a much bigger conspiracy. The blueprints led him to the basement, where he discovered a secret underground bunker filled with high-tech surveillance equipment. Someone had been watching the town for years, gathering information on its residents. But who was behind it? In a heart-pounding chase, Jake confronted the mastermind, a figure cloaked in mystery, someone he had overlooked the entire time. The true villain was not Mr. Warren or Emily. It was someone Jake had trusted all along, his own partner, Detective Sarah. Sarah had been orchestrating everything, using the mansion as her hideout, pulling the strings from the shadows. In a final showdown, Jake exposed Sarah's elaborate plan. She had been running an illegal surveillance operation, blackmailing key figures in the town. The mansion was her base of operations, but when things started to unravel, she staged the haunting to keep people away. As the truth came to light, Sarah was arrested, and Jake became a hero, solving one of the most intricate cases of his career. The mansion's mysteries were finally put to rest, but the scars of the conspiracy would remain. As Jake walked away from the case, he couldn't help but wonder how many more secrets were still hidden in the shadows, waiting to be uncovered?